Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into subtle yet powerful detail in bedroom design. Wooden bedside wall shelving. It is one of those features that quietly changes everything. It saves space, adds character, and gives your bedroom that feeling of intentional calm. A small touch of wood on the wall beside your bed can turn your room from practical to poetic. Let's explore how wooden bedside shelving combines form, function, and warmth, transforming how we live, rest, and recharge. Traditionally, we think of bedside tables, small, boxy, sometimes cluttered. But wall shelving brings a lighter energy. It frees up floor space, invites visual breathing room, and feels tailored rather than added. Wood, in particular, softens the wall, creating a bridge between nature and structure. When you use wood as the main material, the shelf doesn't just hold things, it grounds the room. It is about simplicity, not emptiness, function, not clutter. Every type of wood tells a different story. Light ash or oak adds serenity, perfect for Scandinavian inspired bedrooms, while everything feels airy and minimal. Richer tones like teak or walnut adds intimacy and warmth, ideal for spaces that feel cocooned and moody. Even a single wooden shelf can change the emotional tone of a room. It gives your wall rhythm, it invites touch, and it whispers, "This space was designed with care." Wall-mounted shelves beside the bed aren't just aesthetic, they're strategic. They keep essentials, your book, lamp, or phone within easy reach, while freezing you from bulky furniture. When done right, they look like they belong to the wall itself, not placed against it. The clean lines of wood give structure, while its natural texture ensures the space doesn't feel sterile. It is modern design its soul, practical minimalism that still feels human. A bedroom feels balanced when both sides of the bed have visual weight. Wall shelving can help create that symmetry, or intentionally break it if you prefer an asymmetrical look. Even a single floating wooden shelf can replace a full nightstand setup. It keeps things visually open, making the bed the true centerpiece of the room. You can pair it with wall sconces, artwork, or plants to create layers of texture and light. It is not just storage, it is composition. One of the most beautiful uses of wooden bedside shelves is how they interact with light. Natural wood reflects soft, warm tones under ambient lighting, ideal for evening relaxation. If you pair them with warm LED strips or wall-mounted lamps, the effect is magical, intimate, and cinematic. Add a candle, a book, maybe a ceramic vase, and suddenly you have created a bedtime ritual corner, a moment of stillness before the world starts again tomorrow. Wooden wall shelves work brilliantly in small bedrooms or apartments. By going vertical, you reclaim floor space, and that makes even compact rooms feel more open and deliberate. You can play with height, layering one or two shelves for both storage and visual rhythm. Since wood is easy to shape and finish, customization is limitless. From sleek modern panels to rustic live edge planks. No two installations ever look the same. That is part of the beauty. Wood makes every setup personal. Bedrooms should be spaces of emotional rest, and wood helps achieve that on a subconscious level. Its organic patterns soften the hard geometry of walls and furniture, balancing structure with nature. A wooden wall shelf near your bed subtly tells your brain, your home, you can relax. It is the kind of design detail you might not consciously notice, but you feel it every time you walk into the room. So, wooden bedside wall shelving isn't just about smart storage. It is about rhythm, warmth, and the dialogue between simplicity and comfort. It is proof that good design doesn't need to shout, it just needs to fit naturally into how you live. So until next time, happy decorating.